right now, Q4, your plan should be 2026. Of course, we are making plan to make more money in 2025, but much emphasis and strategy should be for 2026. And this is what big businesses do right now. They do what would happen in 2026 is already sealed. Some big businesses already have 3 years, 5 years, 10 years plan. What they are currently running on now is what they have decided on a year or 2 years ago. And then the tactical and operations manager or management team are now implementing it. So as an individual, I think it's high time we started becoming future forward when it comes to our finance. Now I'm going to be listing out what you need to do in order to prepare for in order for you to prepare for 2020. If you are gaining value, I want you to type in the comment section, I am gaining value. And then how can you financially prepare for 2026? One of the things you need to do, if you must make intentional money in 2026, is to have a financial target. It's very important that you do what you have a financial target for 2026. Very, 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 very important that you do that you have a financial target for 2026. So in 2024, we had a financial target. In 2024, we had a financial target and say, okay, this is the amount of money we want to make in 2025. And that's the same thing you should do for yourself. In 2026, you should have a financial target of what amount you want to make. You should have a financial target of the amount you want to make in 2026. Having a financial target of the amount you want to make is key. So 2026, I can say, okay, I want to make 1 billion naira as an instance. And then you begin to look at what vehicle can help you achieve that financial target. What vehicle can help you achieve the financial target you are looking out for? What investment vehicle can I invest in that will help me achieve this financial target that I want to get in 2026? And then the investment vehicle means what line of business can I venture into that will help me achieve this target? Because if you don't have this target, the truth is that you may accept any finances that come your way in 2026. So if you have a target of 1 billion or 2 billion naira as an instance, I'm calling billions, that's where my brain is at. We need to start earning massive figures, billions. Do you get it? So that could be your target. Depend on what your capacity can take. Now, after identifying what is my financial target in 2026, the next thing is to identify what vehicle of investment can I take to achieve this financial target. What investment vehicle will I be using to achieve this financial target? Now, you are the one that would determine this. What investment vehicle will I use to achieve this financial target? One of the investment vehicles you can use is real estate. I'm going to be mentioning some investment vehicles that can help you achieve this financial target easily in 2026. So if you are into real estate is one of the investment vehicles that can help you achieve your financial target. And one of the things I used to say, you don't need to invest millions in real estate for you to make money in millions in real estate. So take, for instance, you pick real estate as an investment vehicle to close or make massive sales. You can decide to do what you can decide to play in the marketing, real estate marketing niche. If you have the money, you can decide to play in the buying and selling niche. But for some beginners, you can start from the marketing niche, meaning, okay, I don't have money financial, but I want to make money through real estate. You begin to learn everything you need to learn uh, as regards marketing real estate, land banking, and land flipping marketing. So there are a number of companies that has products, and if you can sell, you can make money. And then you sell, you make money for commission. You earn commission if you close it. Let's say if you close sales of, take for instance, one let's say 10 million, you earn commission of 15% or 20%, depending on the companies that you can sell to. So if you close a sale of 10 million, 20 million, 100 million, 50 million, a number of people are really closing massive deals in real estate and then cashing out in commission. So this can be something that can help you make money in 2026. Another thing you can do in the real estate space, you can decide to do what? You can decide to involve in land flipping, meaning you are trained understanding land flipping business and land banking business, understand location that you can buy and then you can sell. Everything all boils down to ability to buy and sell. So you can look at emerging cities all around Africa. It could be Lagos, it could be Accra, it could be Nairobi, it could be Asaba, Delta State, it could be Abuja. These locations are locations that are doing well. It could be Ogun State. These locations are locations that are doing well. You can buy landed property and do what? And sell for what? For profit. This is something that would really help you make, manage, and multiply money in 2026. And so you may want to consider the real estate investment vehicle. Another business that can help you make money in 2026. I've talked about you identifying the amount, setting a target of an amount you want to do, what you want to invest in, and then determining the vehicle. So a vehicle could be a real estate vehicle. The second vehicle that you may want to look out for may be digital and maybe agri business, maybe food business. Identifying the vehicle and discovering that, okay, I want to invest in food business. What kind of food business do you want to invest? Do you want to invest in animal husbandry, or do you want to invest in crop plantation? These are some of the businesses that can help you make money. Now, another thing you can do in the agri business, after identifying whether you want to do animal husbandry or food or crop plantation, for me, for new entrants, I will advise you, if you are going into agriculture business in 2026, start with something that gives you fast return on investment. Now I see a lot of people investing in agri business and they are doing investments that can make them money in the next 4 years. How are you going to put your bill in the next 4 years, or picking a particular agri product that the return is in the next 4 years? There's a lot of sides to that. But then if you are looking at agri business as an investment vehicle for you to create generational wealth or to make money in 2026, look at the product or the food product that can easily bring you cash flow, because cash flow is king. Cash flow is king. So if you're looking at an investment vehicle of agricultural farm and the likes, look at products that can help you. You invest, you cultivate the ground, you cultivate, and then you earn cash flow. An example, you can go online and search for some of these product that you can harvest fast. Some of them are vegetable products, some of them like pepper, tomato, maize, and a number of these products can give you cash flow in a short while. 3 months, some 6 weeks, some 4 weeks. And then for cassava, there is a species of 6 months and 9 months. So determine the investment vehicle, which is, we're talking about agri business. We've talked about real estate, We've talked about, and we're talking now about agribusiness. This is a niche that can help you make money in 20 what in 2026.